Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I will be creating this Valentine look using my most expensive luxury makeup. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider to subscribe to my channel and ring the post notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to see step by step how did I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. As Valentine's Day approached and we celebrate love and friendship, I decided to do this makeup look using my most expensive luxury makeup. But this video is extra special because I'm collaborating with a beautiful creator here on YouTube, Angela Van Rose. She's based in Milan, and if you haven't watched her channel, I will highly suggest you to go there and check out the beautiful reviews that she creates. Since she's based in Europe, she has access sometimes to certain makeup that it may not arrive here to the United States so easy or so promptly. Another thing that I love about her channel is her love for Chanel. I have also a very soft spot for Chanel's brand, and she has a beautiful collection. Angela, she's just a synonym of elegance. She has the most beautiful accent. Yes, I do have an accent, but her accent, I don't know, it just puts you at ease, and I love her calm demeanor. And I feel honored to be collaborating with a friend like her. Aside to that, and as many of you may know, my husband is Italian, born and raised in southern Italy. And Italy has a very special place in my heart, not only because my husband, his family, but also because on my blood I have Italian heritage. So to me, that is extremely special. For everything fashion, when you go to Italy, you have to go to Milan. And then if you're like me, I will live an eternal life in Capri, La Bella Capri. So this collaboration for me, again, is very special because I always say that my heart is divided in 3 places. One in my country, Peru, another one here in the United States, and another piece in my bella Italia. Therefore, Angela, ti ringrazio per questa collaborazione, è veramente un onore e aspetto un giorno non troppo lontano conoscerti. Grazie mille e ti auguro tutto il bene del mondo. Okay, my friends, and now let me get you closer and let's start with the makeup look. Guerlain L'Or Primer. For my lips, I'm going to be using Tatcha Plum Blossom Camellia Lip Balm. To plump my lips, Algenist Liquid Lip Collagen, Clé de Peau, the foundation, I have reviewed this foundation and I will suggest a brush application. This foundation is flawless. It doesn't leave a mask on the face. Always make sure you spread your foundation to your neck and also to your ears. Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Intensity 1. This is perhaps one of the best bronzer, contour, cream products out in the market. Using the same foundation brush, I'm just blending in the bronzer. Clé de Peau Concealer. And I'm just gonna apply it on my dark circles and on any other discoloration. This same concealer, I'm applying it on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadows. La Mer, the powder. WANG brush. I really like the application of powder under my eyes with this WANG blue squirrel hair under my eyes. Gives a very light application, which is very important for those who we have mature eyes. Sisley Blur Expert, and I'm just using just a little on my large pores as well as on my T-zone. The bronzing powder by La Mer. I'm going to use my Tone 4 bronzing brush. Taking it down my neck. Tone 4 Sheer Cheek Duo in 05 Lizone. And I'm going to mix both of the blushes with my referral 05 brush. And I'm just going to take it on my upper cheeks. And with whatever is remaining on the brush, I will just tap on my nose. Precisely my brow and a brow setter. Pat McGrath Mother Cheek 5. Honestly, if I was gonna follow exactly the rules, my Natasha Denona palette is more expensive, but only for a few dollars more. So I'm gonna use Pat McGrath. And in fact, I was so tempted to use my beloved Divine Rose, but I do have some videos using this palette and doing some tutorials, so I will leave it up on the cards if you want to see something that is within those movie tones for Valentine's, and also because Divine Rose is not any longer available. Now this palette right here doesn't really have a transition shade, and therefore I will suggest to use your bronzer. On this case, on my La Mer bronzer, I do have a very light tone over here. This bronzer was a release for summer 2018, but it's still available on La Mer's website. I first use my Scott Barnes number 62 brush. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the bronzer all over my eyelid as a transition shade. WANG's 04 brush. And I start applying this eyeshadow right on the crease. And I'm going to build it up slowly on my outer V. I'm using this WANG's blue squirrel hair brush, just as I did with my under eye setting powder, as blue squirrel hair will give you the lightest application, and therefore this will help a lot while blending your eyeshadow and building up the pigmentation. Sonia G Mini Booster, and I'm gonna start by adding just a little bit on my outer V, and then taking whatever is remaining on the brush right on the crease. And if you have seen my video of this Sky Eye set by Sonia G, you will know that the Mini Booster, it's one of those detail brush, perfect for those who have hooded eyes or smaller eyelids for precision work. Sonia G Classic Crease, and I'm gonna go into this kind of eggplant shade, and I'm gonna focus it on my outer V. Refer 02 brush, take that shade on my lower lash line. Sonia G Flat Definer, and I'm gonna take this shade and place it very close to my lower lash line. And I think this is the easiest way to create a wing that you don't have to be worried about messing it up. Mostly for those of us who we have hooded eyes, or if you have folds on your eyes like mine. I'm also placing this eyeshadow on my upper lash line, very close. There's no Valentine's Day without a pink shade. So we're going to be using this beautiful pink duochrome shade. I'm going to be using a Smith 253 brush. Now this has micro glitters in it, so my suggestion is to wet your brush with some MAC Fix Plus. You can also apply this eyeshadow with your fingers, just tapping. Refer 03 brush, And I'm gonna apply that eyeshadow on my inner corner, and with whatever is remaining, I'm gonna apply it right under my brow bone. I'm gonna finish my other eyelid off camera and be right back with you to complete the eye look and the rest of the makeup. I'm back and I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs eyeliner on my waterline. Before I apply mascara, I'm gonna be using my Shiseido Lash Curler, Givenchy Disturba Mascara, this mascara is amazing at bringing volume and length. For my lower lash line, MAC Giga Black. Before I go back to my lips, I'm gonna just tap off any excess of the collagen. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intensity 2. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using Tom Ford Pink Dust. And right on the center of my lips, I'm gonna be using Tom Ford Blush Nude. There's no makeup without Chanel, so I'm gonna be using this lip gloss in Intense Caramel. I'm just gonna use the part of the actual gloss. I'm not gonna use the other side. Right in the center of the lip. The Glow Highlighter La Mer. This product has a cream side. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Chic Color brush and just apply the cream side first. And I'm gonna go to the powder. And I love this highlighter because it has a very subtle pinky tone. Just adds the perfect amount of glow. Take a smaller brush, I'm gonna apply it on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Chantecaille Eclat Dew. And I'm gonna apply this powder everywhere on my face. And this powder will give me a subtle radiance to the skin. Guerlain Golden Land Meteorites and BK Beauty 102 brush. I'm applying it on the perimeters of my face as well as my neck and décolleté. For the finishing touch, Dior Air Flash Radiance Mist. And I have completed my Valentine's makeup look. If you're here from Angela's channel, I want to thank you so much for your time and the support. Also, for my subscribers, I please ask you to go and visit and give some support to Angela. You will love her content. She will bring you to such a point of, I don't know, every time that I watch her, I just feel calm, relaxed, and it just gives me so much joy to watch her. So check my description box because I will be leaving a link to Angela's channel. And now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share with somebody else that may like this type of videos. And I hope that you would like to become part of my family and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget, very important, and if you don't want to miss any of my content, please ring the post notification bell because that's the only way YouTube will let you know whenever I upload new videos. Also, it will be lovely if you can come and check my Instagram. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.